When is an economy successful? Let's take a look. All economies share three goals: growth, high employment, and price stability. Goals. An economy provides people with goods and services, and economists measure its performance. By studying the gross domestic product, GDP, the market value of all goods and services produced by the economy in a given year. And if the GDP goes up, the economy is growing. If it goes down, the economy is contracting. High employment. Because most people earn their money by working, a goal of all economies is making jobs available to everyone who wants one. The U.S. government reports an unemployment rate, the percentage of labor force that's unemployed and actively seeking work. The unemployment rate goes up during recessionary periods and down when the economy is expanding. And price stability. When the average prices of products either don't change or change very little, price stability occurs. When overall prices go up, we have inflation. When they go down, we have deflation. The Consumer Price Index, the CPI, measures inflation by determining the change in prices of a hypothetical basket of goods bought by a typical household. Economic indicators. To get a sense of where the economy is headed in the future, we use statistics called economic indicators. And there are a couple: lagging economic indicators and leading economic indicators. Let's start with lagging. Lagging economic indicators include the average length of unemployment, report of the status of the economy a few months in the past. Leading economic indicators are new claims for unemployment insurance that predict the status of the economy 3 to 12 months in the future.